Hello and namaste, my YouTube family. Today we're going to make a tamarind chutney. It's very common in back home and everybody doing all sorts of way. But my Kiwi friend requested for this recipe and I'm so glad and happy to share with them, and since I start my channel they enjoying Indian food and they making all sorts of my recipe. So I'm so happy from my heart that they all enjoying Indian masalas and recipe as well. One more thing I want to tell you in this recipe, that I'm using my homemade masala powder. That masala powder I use only for 1 pinch or 2 pinch according to that recipe. It will give you very nice restaurant style flavor. So first, before I introduce all ingredients what we need for tamarind chutney, I will tell you how do I make my homemade masala powder, or you could say chutney powder. In the chutney powder, only we need a few ingredients and you can roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to roast too much, otherwise it burn all flavor. We want to keep that flavor, so only 2 to 3 minutes you can roast and then you can grind them very fine powder, and then that powder you can use either pinch or 2 pinch according to your taste and according to that recipe, and you can keep in airtight jar for couple of weeks. So in the masala powder we need 1 star anise, 1 small cinnamon stick, 5 clove, 1 cardamom, and 10 black pepper corn. Isn't it simple? It's very easy and very handy, and at least you don't have to use any ready-made masala, and this masala is very handy. Now I'm going to introduce all ingredients which is we need for this tamarind chutney. 1 cup tamarind and 1/4 cup date, pitted date, and it's soaked overnight with 2.5 cup of water. 1/4 teaspoon each garlic and ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup jaggery, 2 pinch my homemade masala powder which is I explained earlier, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder according to your taste, 1 tablespoon cumin and coriander powder, again it's according to your taste. So now we're going to mash this tamarind and date which is it's soaked overnight, and because it's soaked overnight so it's very nice and soft, and this water I said that 2.5 cup I add, but look, you can add more or less. And now I'm going to use strainer, and then afterward we're going to add all masalas, and then chutney is ready. And I'm adding date and jaggery because they both have its own unique taste, own unique sweetness in it. Now I'm going to add all other ingredients in tamarind and date puree. And now I'm adding jaggery, and we make sure you mix jaggery very well with tamarind chutney. So Again, I'm mixing with a hand, reason that we don't want any lump. And now I'm going to garnish with fresh coriander. And it's already, I can smell so nice. Isn't it easy? Very quick and very handy and very yummy chutney. This homemade tamarind chutney is ready and I hope you all like. So if you like this recipe and this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. And one more thing I want to tell you that all masalas, chili powder, jaggery, you can add according to your taste because some people like sweet this chutney more than sour and some people like more sour than a sweet. So salt, chili powder, jaggery, it's all according to your taste. So I hope you like. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, be happy.